So students, in the last video we have seen seven problems in bilinear transformation. So we will continue that. You keep the notes with you, okay, so that it is easy to listen this video. Eighth problem. So the question is given as, show that in a transformation omega equal to z minus I by z plus I, the axis of reals in the z plane transforms into the circle mod omega equal to 1. So this is the first subdivision. Second subdivision, you have to find out the portion of the z plane, portion or image of z plane corresponding to interior of the circle mod omega equal to 1. So we'll solve this. We know that in complex number z equal to x plus iy. So what is the first subdivision? We have to prove under this transformation the axis of reals. Axis of reals means, which is the axis of real? So this is real axis. X axis is a real axis. What is the equation of x axis? Y equal to 0. If they ask axis of imaginary, means what? Y axis. Okay. So this is real axis. Y axis is imaginary axis. The equation of y axis is x equal to 0. That you know that. But for this problem, what is given? The axis of reals in the z plane. So you have to take y equal to 0 and prove that it transforms to mod omega equal to 1 in the omega plane. So when y equal to 0, I'll write in bracket. So this is axis of real. We have, now you have to substitute y first. So given that axis of reals, which means what? When y equal to 0, that is axis of reals. When y equal to 0 we have, so this equation becomes z equal to x plus 0. So we have z equal to x. Now given the transformation omega equal to z minus I by z plus I, but z equal to x you substitute here. Now we want to prove mod omega equal to 1 in the omega plane. So apply modulus on both sides. When you apply modulus, you apply modulus on denominator separately, numerator separately and denominator separately. And this, what is this? Modulus of x plus I by, how will you write? X square plus y square. What is y here? Minus 1. Coefficient of I is minus 1. Similarly in the denominator, x square plus 1 square. Minus 1 whole square is what? 1. So x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 get cancelled, which is equal to 1. So that is, we have proved that mod omega equal to 1. When y equal to 0, that is axis of reals. The axis of reals in the z plane transforms to mod omega equal to 1. So this proves the first part. Okay. Now come to second part. We have to find the image of the z plane. So far in all the problems, we have found out the image of omega plane. A region in the z plane will be given. You have to find out the region in the omega plane. For this problem, they are asking in reverse order. Finding the image of z plane corresponding to interior of circle mod omega equal to 1. How will you write in symbol interior of circle mod omega equal to 1? Now given interior of circle mod omega equal to 1. How will you write in symbol? Already told you in the previous problem. Interior means what? Less than. If they ask exterior means you have to write greater than. Okay. Mod omega less than 1 is given. You have to find out the image in the z plane. Under this transformation, now from this transformation, given that omega equal to z minus I by z plus I, substitute here. Omega equal to z minus I by z plus I. Now cross multiply. You replace z equal to x plus iy on both sides. Now combine the real and imaginary part. Real part is x, imaginary part is y minus 1. Similarly here x plus I into y plus 1. And modulus of x plus iy is square root of x square plus y square. Here y is y minus 1. Similarly in the right hand side x square plus y plus 1 whole square. Squaring on both sides, root will vanish. Now expand this using a minus b whole square formula. So y square minus 2y plus 1. Here a plus b whole square formula. Y square plus 2y plus 1. Now x square, y square, 1 get cancelled on both sides. What is the remaining term? Minus 2y less than 2y. So take 2y to this side. Already minus 2y. If you bring 2y to the side, minus 2y. So minus 2 is minus 4y. When you multiply by minus, the inequality will change. Now cross multiply that constant. 0 by 4 is 0. So which is the image in the z plane? How will you say in words y greater than 0 means? Y greater than 0. So these are the positive y axis, isn't it? This is y greater than 0. How will you write in words this? Which is the upper half of the z plane. So given that interior of the circle mod omega equal to 1 in the omega plane, and its image in the z plane is upper half of the z plane. So this proves this problem. And ninth problem is same as eighth problem. You can see that ninth problem. What is given? Show that one transformation given maps the imaginary axis. Imaginary axis means in the last problem axis of real is given. So you have to put y equal to 0. Here now given this, it maps the imaginary axis. Imaginary axis means y axis. What is the equation of y axis? X equal to 0. When you substitute x equal to 0, you will get iy. Okay. The remaining is same as previous problem. You can see that the remaining part of that problem is very simple. So you can do this problem, ninth problem. We'll pass on to 10th problem. The last problem.